mask and Mamaearth Upton face wash. So at first I am starting with Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron for tan removal. This tube retails for rupees 249 for 100 ml of product. Now talking about the packaging, it's really good. When you will touch the tube, it gives you a matte kind of a feeling, and the opener is really good. It's not loose, as you guys can see. Okay, now I really love Mamaearth products because it's cruelty free, paraben and SLS free, hypoallergenic, suits all skin types also. This face wash really helps you to reduce suntan, brighten skin tone and also removes dead skin cells. Now talking about the consistency of the product, it's buttery smooth and it also has some gentle small particles which helps you to get rid of blackheads, as well as it helps you to exfoliate your skin. Basically you will get scrub and face wash in one tube. Now let's talk about the main ingredients. Walnut beads, it makes your skin smooth and soft, and it also helps to exfoliate your skin effectively. Saffron extracts, it helps in skin lightening as it promotes healthier and glowing skin. Licorice extract, it helps in repairing the sun damage caused by the harsh rays of the sun. Carrot seed oil, it also helps in removing tan from the upper layers of the skin. Turmeric, now I don't think that I have to tell the benefits of turmeric. And other than these ingredients, it also has coconut oil, orange oil, vitamin. I don't think that I have to explain the benefits of these ingredients. And also it's written here, no added colors. Color may change over time due to use of natural ingredients, but the product efficiency remains unchanged. Now let's quickly see how this works. So let me tell you how to apply. I mean the directions for use. Apply a small amount on wet face. Massage with your fingertips in a circular motion. Concentrate scrubbing your forehead, nose and chin. Concentrate on those areas where you have blackheads or whiteheads, because this product really helps you with those problems. I don't know if you guys can see those small particles. It's really gentle on face, which makes your skin soft and glowy. So after you are done, rinse off with water and pat dry. Avoid direct eye contact. I hope you guys can see the result. Now that's all about this Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron for tan removal. Now talking about this Mamaearth Upton face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil for skin lightening and brightening. This tub retails for rupees 499 for 100 ml of product. This is also paraben and silicone free, hypoallergenic with bioactives, which is obviously a good thing. Now let's quickly open this box and let's see what's inside. This is how the tub looks like. Now after opening the box, you will get to see this tub, and with that you will get one applicator with which you can apply your face mask. And I think this is a good thing because in case you don't have your hands washed, then you can easily go for this. Very easy and handy as well. Now talking about this tub, it doesn't gives you a matte kind of a feeling when you touch the tub. Manufacturing expiry and everything, price, batch number, everything is mentioned in this tub as well as on the box. And it also claims that it is a plastic positive brand and they recycle more plastic than they use, which is again a plus point of this product. And it's also written here that it is for anti-aging, lightens and brightens skin, made with natural ingredients. And also how to use, I mean the directions for use is also written over here very clearly. Now talking about the main ingredients, it has aqua, cocoa butter, apricot oil, mulberry extract, cucumber extract, papaya extract, peppermint oil, turmeric, glycerin and a lot of ingredients. So I'm now gonna open this tub and show you guys how this product looks like from inside. Wow. So this is how it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like and smells good too. Now this face mask looks so smooth and buttery, and you guys can also see the color of this face mask. It's lightish light yellow or faded yellow kind of, As you guys can see, the face mask is smooth and buttery. So now I'm gonna apply this on my face. For this you can use your brush or this applicator or your fingertips to spread evenly on your skin. I will use my fingertips to spread this face mask evenly on my skin when I will show you guys. So let me quickly tell you the directions for use. Wash your face with a sulfate-free face wash suiting your skin type. Dab your face dry and apply a generous layer of face mask on clean face and neck. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Scrub and wash off with lukewarm water. And also this face mask is suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin. Men and women of all ages can use this. So as you guys can see, it's so easy to spread. As soon as you apply this face mask, it gives you a cooling sensation which really helps you to soothe your skin, and it's because of peppermint oil. So when I am done applying this face mask, I will let this stay on my face for about 20 minutes. So you guys can see I am following the directions. I have washed my face and hope you guys can see the instant brightness on my face right now. It really helps with tan and pigmentation. It has also cleared up my blackheads very nicely. Cooling sensation that it gives, it's kind of lingers for a bit even after you wash it off, so it feels very nice and your skin feels so relaxed. So after washing it off, your skin doesn't feel dry, feels so soft and smooth. You guys can easily use this face mask twice a week to see good results. And this face mask is available on Nykaa, Amazon, or else you guys can check their website as well. I will give the purchase link in the description box down below. If there is one pack that I can recommend to you guys, especially for summer season, then it has to be this one. It's really amazing and I am sure that you guys will gonna love it too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!